Hey everybody, thank you for checking into my channel. Today we are covering the topic of cleaning skulls via maceration, specifically antlered deer skulls. So I'm just going to cut out the talking from now on. There will be instructions below the video. Do follow those closely. Maceration is an awesome option for cleaning skulls, as you will see. Extremely simple, just a bucket of water and a skull, but there are things to keep in mind, so I'm just going to put the text down here, that way I don't miss anything. There will be an article that goes along with this video in a little bit more depth. I'll leave a link to that in the description of this video. So here we go. Okay everybody, thank you again for watching the video. If you have any remaining questions whatsoever, do feel free to post them below. I do respond to every single question. Now obviously there are other ways to clean skulls, but this is my personal favorite for many reasons. And again, I would encourage you to check out the blog I wrote on this topic. I'll leave it in a link in the description of this video, just because I kind of go into a lot more detail as far as the process of cleaning skulls via maceration. So thanks again for joining me and my channel. Do feel free to subscribe. I have a ton of videos on the topic of skulls, so I do a bunch of skull carving. If that's something you've never heard of, you might be interested in that. Mounting ideas, obviously different ways of cleaning skulls, and with other methods as well, so you can check that out if you would like. So thanks again guys for watching, appreciate it.